And let's begin with the latest from fallout of coronavirus pandemic in India. With cases surging here at alarming levels, several countries have restricted travel to and from India, the latest being the US and Australia. US President Joe Biden yesterday imposed new travel restrictions on India in the light of COVID-19 pandemic, barring most non-US citizens from entering the US now. The new restrictions will take effect from coming Tuesday, May 4th onwards. US Vice President Kamala Harris said the decision was made after consulting with Centers for Disease Control, COVID-19 medical experts and national security advisors.
We have announced that there's going to be a travel restriction starting on Tuesday on the advice of the Centers for Disease Control, our COVID-19 experts, medical experts, our national security advisors. It is important to note, as I said earlier, that we have a responsibility as the United States, in particular as it relates to the people that we have partnered with over the years, to step up when people are in a time of need. And as it relates to the people of India, we have a long-standing, decades-old relationship with India, with the Indian people, in particular around public health issues. Tonight, in fact, we're going to be sending a plane with supplies that will include oxygen, and with an expectation that that will provide some level of relief.
Meanwhile, Australia has taken a much tougher stance. From Monday onwards, Australian residents and citizens who have been in India within 14 days of the date they plan to return will be banned from entering the country. Those who disobey will face fines and even jail for up to 5 years. The Australian government will once again reconsider the restrictions on May 15. Australia, which has no community transmissions on Tuesday, introduced a temporary suspension of direct flights from India to prevent more virulent COVID-19 variants entering the country. Australia has all but stamped out the coronavirus from its shores after closing its borders to non-citizens and permanent residents in March last year to prevent the spread of the new virus. Second only to the US in total infections, India has reported more than 300,000 new cases daily for 9 days in a row now. Total deaths have surpassed 200,000 and cases are nearing 19 million. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.